Video might seem kind of abrupt, but in a couple days the wing is going to be gone. It's going to be out of my life, and I'll explain more later. But right now, the reason why we're here in this parking lot, in this parking garage, is because I'm gonna go ahead, before we remove that wing, I want to take photos of it. Honestly, take some professional photos of the car before we get rid of the wing. All right. So if y'all don't know a little bit about me, I am a filmmaker and a photographer. We're gonna go ahead and use my old camera, my first camera, to take these photos, which is the Canon T3i. It has an 18 megapixel sensor. Partly because I just want to see how well this camera aids. I haven't whipped out this camera in a long time, so we'll go ahead and put on this lens and start warming up with some photographs from here, and then we'll see how well this camera stacks up. Videos, I know that won't stack up, but photos, y'all might be surprised on how well older camera still stacks up in terms of in terms of photos. Just because this thing shoots raw and stuff, and right now I'm using a 1750mm lens, and I'm gonna put you guys over there, and we'll go ahead and start warming up with some photos. So in photography and video, there's always that level of insecurity, right? When you shoot stuff, and so whenever you get that one shot, that one good-looking shot, woo, it just makes your whole day. Like it's just like it don't matter anymore. Like after the one banger, the one shot that you get, that's just the whole shoot is a success. No matter out of all the photos you take, that one photo will make up for everything. All right, I think it's enough on the inside of this parking garage. Let's have our way all the way up to the top and see what we can get there. To the top. It's kind of bright outside, but I can't help it. I won't have an ND filter that fits this lens, so sorry it's so overexposed, you guys. But for real, yeah, this is a very last minute video, you guys. I'm not kidding. Like, this car has not been washed in like a long ass time. I'm about to post this on my story. Boop. The reason why we went out and shoot this is because right here, wait, this wing you guys see is being removed. And it's sort of a special place in my heart, just because that I started this channel with this wing, and I guess in a way I am sort of known for the big ass wing on the TL, and so I mean, I'll explain more of this whenever I release the video of removing this wing. But long story short, it's time to get rid of the wing, and I just sort of want to take actual professional photos of it, because I don't think I have many photos of it. If you guys enjoyed this video, it is different. It's something that I will be implementing into the channel in the near future, just because videos and photos are my passion, and I do this to make money. So I will be implementing it more, a little more behind the scenes photos and videos of my shoots and stuff, and of course TL content as well, because I'm still not done with this car yet. Follow me on Instagram, it will be down below if you all are interested in checking out these photos, the rest of these photos. Check out the rest of these photos. But that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.